Hello, mathematicians. Today we are going to be looking at lesson 10.2, which is all about customary capacity. We're going to be trying to answer the question, how can you compare and convert customary units of capacity?
Hello! See that bucket? It was full of strawberries earlier today. Well, my neighbor is using them to make some bowls of fruit salad for a picnic. Take a look in the bucket to find out how much strawberries my neighbor picked. Okay, 2 whole quarts of strawberries. My, that was a busy day of picking strawberries. But you know, my neighbor only uses 1 pint of strawberries for each bowl of fruit salad. So we need to figure out how many pints of strawberries were picked. I wonder how we can solve this problem. Maybe we need to compare and convert one of the units of capacity we have been given. Let's go.
Let's help Mara solve a problem about capacity. Mara has a can of paint with 4 cups of purple paint in it. She also has a bucket with a capacity of 36 fluid ounces. Will the bucket hold all of the paint Mara has? Let's unlock the problem. You can use a bar model to write an equation for this problem. To solve this problem, you first need to convert cups to fluid ounces. How many ounces are in 1 cup? There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. The capacity of a container is the total amount the container can hold. What capacity does Mara need to convert? Mara needs to convert 4 cups to fluid ounces. Let's use a bar model to help form an equation to convert the units. Each block represents 1 cup, or 8 fluid ounces. Since there are 4 total cups, and there are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup, how many total fluid ounces of paint does Mara have? So Mara has 32 total fluid ounces of paint. Next, you need to compare this amount with the capacity of fluid ounces the bucket will hold. Will the bucket hold all of the paint Mara has?
Well, is 32 less than 36?
Since 32 fluid ounces is less than 36 fluid ounces, Mara's bucket will hold all the paint. Let's solve a problem by converting units of capacity. Coral made 48 pints of fruit punch for a party. She needs to carry the punch in 1-gallon containers. How many containers does Coral need? The chart shows the relationships between customary units of capacity. Coral needs to convert 48 pints to gallons. Let's use the chart to write an equation to make the conversion. To convert a smaller unit to a larger unit, you need to divide. Sometimes you may need to convert more than once. First, you need to convert pints to quarts. How many quarts are in 48 pints? Since there are 2 pints in 1 quart, you divide 48 by 2. This gives you 24 total quarts. Next, you need to convert quarts to gallons. How many gallons are in 24 quarts? Since there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon, you divide 24 quarts by 4. This gives you 6 gallons. So Coral needs 6 1-gallon containers to carry the punch. Use the chart and picture to convert some units of measure. Let's convert 4 quarts to pints. To make the conversion, you first need the appropriate selection from the chart. How many pints are in 1 quart?
Well, if we look at pints, there are 2 pints in 1 quart. So if we have 4, that means we're going to do 2 times 4, it's going to be 8.
That's not it.
Oh.
1 quart is equal to 2 pints. So 1 quart
Oh,
is greater
I jumped
than 1
ahead.
pint. Now select the correct equation to help you solve the problem. What is the equation to convert 4 quarts to pints?
So 4 times 2.
Correct. You can multiply the total number of quarts by the number of pints in each quart. Now solve the equation.
Now there are 8.
Correct. There are 8 pints in 4 quarts. Now convert 5 gallons to pints. Select your answer.
Okay. So there are 4 quarts in a gallon. And we know that there are 8 pints in 4 quarts. So 8 times 5 is 40.
Good job. 5 gallons is equal to 40 pints. Finally, convert 7 quarts to pints. Select your answer.
So again, there are 2 pints in each quart. So 2 times 7 is 14.
Great job. 7 quarts is equal to 14 pints.
So that is all we have today. I'm going to ask that you answer one question for me and then rate your level of understanding using fists to 5.